Let's make a simple gift package for this notepad in a fall-themed gift of gratitude. So we're going to use some specialty paper here, cut 11 by 12, and do 2 scores on either side here, 2 simple scores, and then we're going to turn it to what will be the bag bottom and make a 1/2 inch score. So on this beautiful piece of paper, I've decided to use the leaf pattern on the outside, but you could definitely use the Cajun Craze side there. I'm burnishing on all of the score lines, and then we're going to make some cuts to assemble the bag. So we're going to cut off the 2 tabs on both of the sides where we made those long scores, and then angle cut that center tab to make for a neater look when we finish. And I'm trimming off just a little bit on those 2 tabs at the bottom. So now we're going to take some Stampin' Seal Plus. One side will overlap the other. You can use double-sided tape, just a strong adhesive to hold your bag together. Then finally we'll put the adhesive on the bottom, and there is the shape of our bag. So now we're going to punch a hole through both layers at the top, and then slip our little notepad on the inside there, and we can make a ribbon closure to embellish the top. So I have a 12-inch piece of ribbon that I'm looping through and securing at the top. Then we're going to make our tag with the Label Me Grateful bundle. I love this particular saying, and we're stamping it on basic white and then going to die cut it with this label. Next, I've die cut some other pieces of foliage and a flower in colors that are also in that designer paper, Old Olive, Early Espresso, and Cajun Craze, and we'll use that to embellish our tag. Then we're going to take a hole punch at the top of the tag, and add a little 12-inch piece of linen thread and loop it through just like we did the ribbon on the bag. And that is going to be used to secure it to the top of our package. To dress it up a little bit, I'm adding some Cajun Craze embellishments there, and then we're ready to put it at the top of our bag. So I'm just looping it through the ribbon up there and tying a simple bow. And you can do this particular type of packaging with almost any size gift. Just adjust your height for different size notepads or a little book, and you can have a great little gift of gratitude to present to someone. So I hope you'll give this a try. Visit inkandinspirations.com to order your supplies, and be sure to like and follow for more ideas.